unfortunately, Megan was sick. So I am filming this video on my own, and I'm going to be telling you a story. Like, we'll put the stories up in here. Like, yeah. Okay, so I was walking down the street today. Wait, first let's start with the part when I was sleeping. I was sleeping. Okay, so then I woke up and I was like, oh, yeah, that was a good sleep, yo. Like, what? It was a sleep, yo. I did not like that. Whoa, that was awesome. Okay, anyway, so I got dressed into this shirt I always wear, Seattle Seahawks, and yeah, and yeah. What? Anyways, so I was walking down the street and I hit this rock and I died. I died. But unfortunately, I came back to life. Like, oh my gosh, like I would have died. And yeah, so yeah. And then the reason that I died was because I was going to yoga class. So I was at yoga class. This is what I was doing at yoga class. I learned how to do this. Oh, like, look at that awesomeness. I also learned how to touch my feet and put it up and go like this. I can also do the pencil if my legs are just behind me. And I can like, oh my gosh, like, oh look at that, like, what? Anyways, so I was at yoga class, my teacher was like, oh my gosh, how can you do that? Like, that is like a curl. I'm like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, so while I was at yoga class, like, you know, the usual happened. I was like painting my toenails, like, if my toes will just let them, like painting my toenails, like I always do. This is a normal place. Anyways, and then I just went back to sleep.